Hello dear friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome to our channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to draw on CapCut. First of all, open your CapCut app. Select New Project. Select a photo or video, then add it. Now select Text. Select Draw. Now you can draw anything. You can less the size or increase it. I'm raising it. So draw something. See, it's super easy. So that's it, friends. Now you can simply export it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.